So I'm Narelle Cowan. I'm predominantly in commercial to residential units in South Wales. I've got a lot of detached properties with land that we're looking to develop on the land. Yeah, stuff like that. BRRs essentially, but bigger ones. Before Samuel? Oh, I have, yeah. So I've started investing in renovation projects out in Dubai. So we've got 4 projects at the minute on the go in Dubai. Renovations. 2 years is up in a couple of days. I know. Amazing. I love it. Obviously, it's got me to where I am. I'm very grateful. I'll be loyal to the Academy forever. I'll recommend it to anyone. Amazing. Yeah, amazing. It's all the learnings from Samuel himself, the team in the background when you need a question answered. It's just second to none, man. You can't get it anywhere else. Not even close. It wouldn't be a business. I wouldn't have anything. I started from nothing, right? I was a lorry driver. Samuel likes talking about it. Like I wouldn't be anywhere without them. Do it. It's only a quid, right? It's a quid. What can you lose? Apart from a quid. And some petrol money to get here, maybe. I brought my brother down on a whim. It was his birthday coming up. I didn't have any money to buy him a present. He kept talking about Samuel. So I brought him down to meet Samuel for a quid. Cost me 2 quid in total. And yeah, the rest is history for me. My brother never joined. Bet he's gutted now.